Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures traded in consolidation mode pretty much for the whole week this week. I kept on waiting for a further response after it was established that this market was consolidating. But there was a little bit of supply being drawn out. You can see that volumes increased and it's almost up to the average. The fact that the spread remained quite narrow shows that the market was really making a decent attempt at absorbing that supply, or that's buying the supply, and that left the trading right up high in that up bars range. And that's generally a sign of underlying strength to the market. I would expect early in the week next week, a little narrow spread down bar like this, just to confirm whether supply has begun to ease and whether there is further supply in the market. I only say that because volume was slightly increased this week. Would have liked to have seen that a little lower to show that selling pressure was low in this market. But some supply was being drawn out, and the narrow spread shows that the market was attempting to absorb that supply. So a little test for supply early in the week, and then a response depending on how much supply is actually drawn out. If supply continues to be drawn out, a pullback to this level is probably likely to test that for strength. And if there is very little supply in the market in the first day or so, then a push up to this level becomes a possibility.